everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today I'm trying out some heatless curls from TikTok. So ever since Anna Laura made a TikTok for me, I've been obsessed. It's a problem in my life, and one thing that I saw come up were these heatless curls that you do with a bathrobe tie. Now, I've seen 1,000,005 ways to curl your hair heatlessly, but I have never seen one get such uniformly good results. I mean, there's a few out there that aren't like amazing, but generally when people try this, they end up with princess hair, and I'm shocked and aghast and amazed, and I have to try it. So in that effort, I have myself and Anna Laura testing out whether or not this actually works and whether or not it can work on shorter hair, because my hair is much shorter than most people that are using this. So I want to see if I can make it work. So all that being said, let's cut to a few days ago where Anna Laura and I both have wet hair, and we're gonna try this out. Oh, Anna Laura!
Hello!
Look at you in your tie-dye. Somebody got the TikTok memo.
I did. Whenever you tell me we're doing TikTok videos, I'm always like, oh, I have to do my best TikTok outfits.
Well, it seems pretty easy for you. If you've never seen the TikTok, you take a cord from a bathrobe or a tie from a bathrobe, you put it over your head and you wrap your hair around it and let it dry, and then when you take it off, you somehow have magical Disney princess curls.
Seems too good to be true. So let's see if it is.
Let's just get started. I thought we could both try this at the same time together and just see how it goes.
Let's do it.
I think the strength of this method is that it curls from here down to look really pretty. The weakness is for the people whose hair ends here.
You have no chance for it to get to its fullest potential.
It's true. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is make it more like a halo and tie it like that.
Oh, that's good. That's smart. That reminds me of your heatless curl method.
Oh yeah, with a t-shirt. Although I have to say,
Yeah.
going into it, this one seems like it might be superior because it might be easier to wrap the hair around.
Oh, that's true. Should I do a side part, like my normal part, or should I do like a center part?
I would say do your normal part because anything that you flip over is going to be curled the opposite way from the rest of your hair.
True. This is gonna be an all curled one direction kind of thing.
Okay, I'm going to put in some Le Incroyable Blow Dry. I think it's good to put in some kind of smoothing product when you do heatless curls, just because you don't have heat taming the frizz like you normally do. Also, a product like this helps add a little bit of hold, and that's helpful as well. And then I'm going to use this Bumble and Bumble BB Glow Blow Dry Accelerator, partially because this is going to help kind of dry the hair a little faster, make sure everything dries overnight pretty well, but also because I like this line from Bumble and Bumble. It helps to get into the cortex of the hair and make it stronger while styling. We love.
All right, I'm gonna use the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I'm excited.
That's the no frizz line. Their no frizz line is no joke. It has a lot of moisture.
That's good. I'm in a very moisturizing place in my life for my hair while on quarantine.
There is no better time to practice heatless hairstyles than right now. Because like heatless
That is
curls,
true.
when they go bad, they go bad.
There's no saving them except with heat.
So it's real good to be able to stay home. I'm going to go ahead and put my thing on. I'm gonna clip it in place, and now I'm a nun. Okay, that clip didn't work that way. Let's try it this way. Clipping it on the side I'm not doing first. That was the move. I'm gonna brush everything forward to get it prepped. So essentially what you do is you wrap the hair around the tie, and then as you go, you pick up some more hair. I think the most important thing is that all the hair that you're bringing in is nice and detangled, which is why I brushed the hair forward first. I just picked up another little bit of hair here. I'm gonna wrap that around. I'm just gonna slide my thumb, pick up some more, like so, and wrap it around. Now, for the long-haired ladies, I think it's pretty easy to just keep it right in the front like that. But for us shorties, you're just gonna want to make sure you're keeping this elevated so that the curls are starting a little bit higher, and that way it's not all just down here. So I'm picking up some hair from the back, then I'm gonna pick up some hair from the front, spinning it all together in this section, and wrapping it around. Ooh. Okay, I'm running into some of the hairs being shorter, so they're starting to not quite wrap around. See if I can keep this going. Oh man! Look at me!
I wish I was closer to your head so I could see you a little better, but I don't think it looks too difficult. That low-key looks like a hairstyle on you.
I've got little nubbins, and I am wrapping it around, trying to keep it nice and flat, and that's it. Okay, so now the long-haired girls have the insanely easy task of putting a hair tie on it, but I have this much cord left. What am I gonna do? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put this twist a little closer to the last couple twists and I'm gonna bobby pin it. All right, I think I did it. Now for the other side. All right, brush the hair forward, wrapping it around and pick up some from the back, pick up some from the front and wrap. Got it in.
Oh my gosh, you look crazy.
I was thinking that I was gonna tie these ends on top, and I guess I still could. I don't wanna put them on the front because then we're gonna get a weird divot. You know what, whatever. I'm gonna just tie these together in the back and just have a really long ponytail.
What in the world?
Listen, I look like I'm ready for a May Day parade or something. Like I'm dressed for something.
It looks like a
for
toilet
sure.
paper inspired hairstyle.
Quarantine chic. The category is social distancing.
Oh my gosh. I don't know why toilet paper hair makes you feel so fashion, but I love it.
Quick update, I'm clipping up the ends because I'm afraid I'm gonna like step on something or like these are gonna get caught on something. I'm gonna lose my hairstyle. So here we go. This is it officially. This is what I look like now. All right, sis, your turn.
Okay, so I'm gonna take sections, right?
Yeah.
All right, so section number 1, wrapped. Oh, wait a second. I wasn't wrapping fully.
Do a full 360 for each section.
Yeah, so you have to fully go all the way around and then pick up the next section.
Yeah, there you go.
I was like, this doesn't feel right, but I got it now.
I do want to shout out, there's this Heatless curling device, I don't know what to call it, but it's called the Octa Curl. And it's kind of similar to this, and the benefit of it is that it's pretty much the same concept, but you can put your hair on multiple ones of these. You can braid it in. There's like a lot of different ways to do it. And it's a startup company and they're great and they're really sweet. So if you like this and you want even more versatility, you could check them out.
I look like the TikTok chick.
That's what I think when I do TikTok dances and then I record myself.
Scott was like, oh my gosh, you put on makeup today. He's like, let's do a TikTok. He's gonna be so mad that my hair looks like this. Yeah.
Tomorrow.
When my hair looks fabulous. Mine looks like a bandage. This is what I've decided to stick with.
All right, sis, do you think we did it?
I think we got it.
I don't think it was too bad.
I think we crushed this.
The hardest part was figuring out what to do with the ends.
I think wrapping it took like literally 60 seconds and then I spent 15 minutes trying to figure out what to do with the ends.
Now I look like a nurse from the 18th century and I'm ready to go about my day. All right, so I guess we'll go live our lives and come back tomorrow and see how this looks.
I'm gonna have to go on like dog walks with this. Oh my gosh.
You have to walk your dog like that. Lols. I'm off. I'll see you tomorrow, sis.
See you tomorrow.
Bye. Bye. And we are back. I cannot wait to get this out of my hair. I want to see how it looks. I want to see if it worked. I'm also a little concerned that it might still be kind of wet. But of course, I'm not taking this out on my own. I'm going to bring my sister back in. Oh, Anna Laura.
Hello. Can we talk about something? I think we're wearing the same shirt.
Oh my gosh.
that's funny.
Sister moment. So how was it for you, sis?
So, okay, full disclosure, a lot has happened since I got off camera.
Really?
I could tell there was like something going on with like my mom and Nate and my husband. I was like, what is this? I was like, everyone was giving me like weird looks about having this in my hair, not in like a, oh my gosh, you look crazy way. Eventually, my mom was like, she's like, you know, you could take that out and just redo it tonight, right? And so I ended up taking it out.
Right.
Turns out, I came back from like a really long walk with Nate and Scott, walking all the dogs through the neighborhood, and Scott had planned a little date night for me. He had like our favorite sushi takeout, and he had insomnia cookie, and I was like, okay, that's why I had to take my hair out. I understand now. But I put it back in last night and slept on it like normal, so it wasn't too bad. The sleeping process was a little weird, but other than that, it was fine.
That's good.
How was your process?
I made a whipped coffee right before we started filming. And then I was on a coffee high and I organized like crazy. I painted my nails.
Ooh.
I had some delicious margaritas and tacos and guac. I chilled. I honestly slept just fine.
All right. I don't think really anything could come between us and our sleep, so.
Nope. I can sleep anywhere. Are we ready to take this out?
I think so.
So I watched so many of these after we got done filming yesterday.
I know you sent me like 1,000.
Sorry about it. But some of them
You're
turned
good.
out so good and some of them turned out so bad. And so I'm very interested to see.
I'm really thinking I should have done that horseshoe shape like you did because I feel like the back is going to be completely curlless.
Yeah, it doesn't matter as much when you have the long hair though.
I will say though, this morning it was a little damp when I woke up, so I hit it with the hairdryer a little because I know if it's damp it won't be like great.
Right.
So just so you know, let your hair like dry a good bit before you put it in this if you're trying to just go overnight. Oh
my gosh. Hold on. I'm going to stop and take this in.
my gosh, these are nutcracker curls if I've ever seen any.
Whoa.
What? I'm speechless right now.
What the heck? What the what?
This is why you brush out your tangles, this piece right here.
Told ya.
Okay, well, I'll do the other side.
Oh my gosh.
This side had more hair on it because I did my usual part. I
Mm-hmm.
could definitely tell with the wrapping that it was a little more difficult to do with more hair. So I'm interested to see if there's a big difference in the sides. But I have high hopes now. Oh my god. Full disclosure, this isn't like my style of curl. But that is insane for Heatless.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, honestly, if you were to fold the robe tie in half, it would probably be
Yeah.
your actual. Holy cow, sis. Like, you don't even have to do anything to it.
Come here.
Holy.
Okay, take yours out. I'm dying to see it.
Okay, but I'm scared. Yours looks good. I just feel like that means that mine can't. All right, we're going to start out with this side. Okay, we got curls. There's curls. There's curls. There's curls.
Oh, she's there.
Oh, they're tight.
Oh, she little.
They're little. Oh man, look at that ringlet. Well, I'm gonna bring you
my
closer.
gosh.
Anna's on a tripod. Look at this.
What the heck?
What?
Oh, she got curls. Wow.
She's got curls. Oh, and they are dry. I was concerned.
Oh my goodness. I'm so shocked right now.
This piece is kind of wet.
Oh. You look like Shirley Temple.
This side looks good. This side's a little, hold on. I'm gonna separate out the curls and try to like reform them. So they're like, there we go. I'm just wrapping them around my fingers to redefine them. I wonder if I just shake this side, what happens?
You're much more brave than I am. I'm like, I'm not gonna touch these. It's cute.
So you see the cute side right now. Look at this side.
Oh. Wait, is that your deep side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my deep side has some weird stuff too.
I think it's probably just, it's more hair on the one thing than on this side. You want to see something really funny?
Okay, so if you do this on short hair, you need to like do a half up after it. That's a lot. But what does the back of mine look like? Do I look like the same thing?
I mean, yeah, but it's fine because it's long curly hair.
Long hair.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna kind of comb through this.
Let me see if I can see the back of my head real quick because I haven't seen it yet. Oh. The best laid plans, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Mine looks so good. Sorry, I know you're having a moment over there.
Man, this side's okay from the front and everything, except it's got like this funny like finger comb. This part is great.
Take the big side, comb it back, stick a cute clip in it right there, and call it a day.
I think that's what I'm gonna have to do.
Honestly, this like front curl is really bugging me because it has like...
The thing is, like, you could use heat and fix that one thing and it would be totally good.
That's very true. I think this was a big win on long hair gals.
Yeah, especially for you, if you do it again and you do it with the thing folded. Pick a clip.
Yes!
I've got matte gold, flat bar. I've got pearl barrettes. Which fun.
I think that matte gold.
That's what I was thinking too. All right, so I already bobby pinned everything where I want it. I'm just putting the clip over it.
Oh, look at this. A little hidden tutorial in here.
How to fix messed up curls. I mean, I kind of look like a flower girl right now, I'm not gonna lie.
You're not wrong.
Now that I know it looks like a flower girl, I'm changing it again. Can't have myself looking like a flower girl. I am too old for that. I'm a flower woman, gosh darn it. So I did see some people, and by some people I mean one, where she wrapped the front of her hair and then she wrapped the back of her hair on the same one. It dried better. Oh Lord, it's not getting any better.
Try a party pony.
Yeah, party pony might work.
Oh, there we go.
Let me grab a scrunchie real quick because obviously.
Oh, that's cute.
We fixed it.
It's definitely like a retro throwback moment.
Because the curls are so tight, yes. Okay, so because these curls are super tight, what I want to do is just a quick little spritz of water on the tight pieces. So this guy and all of these guys, And it's literally, I'm gonna spray it and I'm just gonna let it fall on its own. Because my hair is naturally straight, so that's what's gonna happen. It kind of reactivates your hair's natural texture. So if your hair is not naturally straight, this step will not work for you. But if it is, there you go. You can also put a little bit of water on your hands and run it over. The thing is, you don't want to saturate it, because if you get your hair really, really wet, you're gonna lose everything. You just want a little bit.
I'm gonna do a little dry finishing texture spray. See if I can get this a little more my vibe.
Okay. I'm feeling a little bit better about it. What do you think?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks good. The thing is, like, that's really cute, and a lot of people, like, would really enjoy having that texture of hair. I know that that's not really, like, your particular favorite style, but it does look really cute.
Yeah, it's not like the thing that I go for all the time, but I do like it. Okay, so this is the Octo Curl, just because I mentioned it before. This is one of the earlier versions, so it looks a little more prototype. It looks like a spaghetti monster. Here's the thing, though. It's like a headband that you put around your head, and then you can wrap the hair on each of these, and you can, like, put as many together as you want for a bigger curl, or you can do one on its own for a little curl. It gives you the opportunity to do kind of a similar situation to this, but with more space between the curls. And maybe a little bit easier for short hair, because you could actually possibly get the back curled. Just a thought, just wanted to put that out there. All right, well, hey, you know what? It was not that bad. I do think if you have long hair, like, you have to do it.
You absolutely have to do it. I can't believe this.
Yeah.
I can't believe that I didn't know this sooner.
Yeah, same.
Especially, like, you know, when quarantine's over and, like, my girls who are going to school, like,
yeah, sleep with your hair in that
do
little
this.
thing, and then wake up and throw on your cute little sweatshirt and leggings, and you're good to go. I want to keep trying with the short hair. I'm not sure what else I'd change, but I really want to know. I want to know if I can do it.
we should both try the double band.
Yeah. Here's what we can do. We can both try one more time, and we can put a little montage here of how that goes, so you guys can see what that looks like when we try it with the cord doubled up. And go. I'm super into it. I really like it. I like that it worked so well. I think I could make it work better on my short hair, but it worked so well on your long hair. I am shook.
It really did. My mind is blown.
So I guess this TikTok method gets a thumbs up from me. What about you, sis?
Oh, for sure. 2 big thumbs up
Man,
from me.
I'm shocked. I did not expect it to go that well. Do you know how many heatless curling methods I've tried that went terribly?
Yeah, linked above Kayley's The Wish.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I'll link my Wish Rollers video. My God. Alrighty, well, that is today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, Anna Laura, for being here and contributing the long hair perspective, because it went so well.
Thanks for having me. I'm so excited that I have my new curly method.
I bet.
Bye.
Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit that like button if you did. Leave me a comment down below with what I can try next. I'm down for pretty much anything. If you're new here, you can hit that subscribe button to join the Braidaholic family here on Kayley Melissa. And all of y'all can hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. But that's it for today. Whether you're old or new or a casual lurker, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye!
Carol Baskin. Did it, did it. Did it. Dun, dun, wave.
Oh, what?
Then you throw it back.
Oh, yay.
I could have been an Easter bunny.